Hi everybody! Welcome back. This is our math lesson. Today we are going to talk about things that are exactly the same, but they might have something different about them. First, we are going to do our count to two chant like we learned the other day. So here we go. Ready? Get those fingers ready. 1, 2, I count 2. 1, 2, I clap 2. 1, 2, me and you. Good job. Next, I want you to look at these balls. There are 4 balls. I'm going to show you 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 balls. Which balls are exactly the same? Is it the beach ball and the basketball? No. Is it the baseball and the basketball? No. Is it the baseball and the baseball? Yes, the baseball and the baseball are exactly the same. They are the same shape, they are the same size, and they are the same color. They are exactly the same. I have 2 bears in my circles. They are the same color, but one is little, this one, and one is big, like this one. The size of the bears are different. They are not exactly the same, but they are the same color. They are the same color, but different sizes, so they are not exactly the same. Here are 2 more bears. What can you tell me about these bears? How are they the same? One is blue and one is red. They are not the same color, but they are the same size. These 2 bears are the same size, but they are not the same color. I have some pictures of some objects. We are going to make a line and show which ones go together. I see a soccer ball and a bouncy ball. These 2 are balls. They are the same shape, but they are not the same color. They are not exactly the same, but they are the same shape, but not the same color. I have a party hat, and I see another party hat. I'm going to draw a line to the 2 party hats. They are not the same size, but they are the same shape. They are both cones. They are the same shape, but they are not the same size. I see a shirt with stripes on it and a shirt with dots on it. They are the same shape. They are both shirts. They are in a shirt shape, but they are not the same color. This one is blue with stripes, and this one is pink with orange dots. They are the same shape, but they are not the same color. They are also the same size, but they are not the same color. You did a very nice job of finding things that are the same, but they might have something different. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you next time.